God created sea life and birds. God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let the birds multiply the earths." So God's pretty much telling the sea animals and the birds to multiply and be fruitful. And then day 6, God created animals that live on dry land. And then lastly, God created man in his own image. This was Genesis 1, verses 24 through 31. For God finished his creation on day 6. God gave man dominion to rule over all the beings he's created on this earth. God concluded that his work was very good after looking over all the things he created.